Hey, Tim Unkert here, and in this video, I want to install CTRL-P in Vim. But first, if you like videos about tech, math, coding, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications as it will really help the channel grow. Okay, let's get to it. All right, so first I'm going to search for CTRL-P Vim. You see I've searched for it before. And then I'm going to come to this page, and you'll see down here it says this project is unmaintained, and these are all like 8-9 years ago. You should use this fork instead. So I'm going to click on that. Okay, and I'm going to now get the code for this. Okay, copy it and get out of my kitty config, and I'm going to cd into .vim/pack/plugins/start. You'll see up here I have all these plugins in there, and I'm going to git clone and then copy the repository address, and it's going to clone that stuff in there. Cool. Okay, now I'm going to go back to my home directory, and I want to open my vimrc. Okay, and I'll go down here, basic usage. I don't want to change the default mapping. I think that may be it. Let me do CTRL-P, and you'll see that some stuff comes up, and I can start typing. Oh, look, Python programs, click on that, and I've got a file that's in my directory. If I had more files, I could search through them, but it's really easy. Let me, yep, see, I have no entries in this folder, so I would have to go up a folder. But anyway, so that's how you use CTRL-P and install CTRL-P, and it's actually quite simple. Let's go up maybe a directory, and let's go into, I don't know, no, I want to just go, let's go into my bin, and let's go into this, and that's nothing. And if we search, we've got all these other files up here. I'm going to escape out of that, but you get the point that you can, I just want to close this. You can go and find a lot of different things here with CTRL-P. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. And if you've done so already, I thank you very much, and I hope to see you in the next one.